What are you drawing?
A pitchfork.
A pitchfork? What are you drawing a pitchfork for?
Well, look. That was the guy that is controlling the pitchfork. Look.
Nice. Very good pitchfork. Where's your brother? Caleb!
Look.
Come over here, buddy! Where are you? There he comes. What's up, Kay? Uh-oh. What are you gonna draw?
I'm gonna draw a monster.
A monster and a pitchfork. I think Halloween just happened.
I draw you.
You're gonna draw me?
Yeah.
Let's see how I look. Let's see it. Whoa, I kind of look like a Christian fish. Oh, look at my eyes. Oh my God, Caleb. You are an artiste. Oh, look,
I draw the feet.
oh, look at my feet.
I draw the feet.
You did draw the feet.
I draw you.
That's me?
Yeah.
You're so, that's really
That's
sadly.
Mama.
Oh, now you're gonna draw Mama? Let's see how Mom looks. I'm feeling Mom's gonna look a little nicer.
Look at Mom. Monster. It's a flying monster.
A flying monster? Jeez, that's scary.
And I forgot. Look, he has teeth there.
Oh, yeah.
And he's mad.
Oh, he is mad. Look at that.
My bug watch! I never saw my bug watch.
Well, now you found your bug watch. You can tell bug time now.
Bug time now?
I'm so little. What are you doing over here, Kay?
Catching bugs.
What are you gonna draw? Those gruff boys.
Look, I draw. Please, can I see?
Can you see? Let's look at what Joaquin's doing. Where's Joaquin?